Hey guys, this is Abroad Job and welcome back to this channel. So, as I already said, you different job openings from many countries. So today I will share with you job openings from Singapore. And guys, if you are interested to apply for this job, then please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, everything details you can discuss in this video. So let's start. This is a hot job in Singapore. No English, no IELTS requirements. BS limit should be below 40 years. And ECR and ECNR passport both can be applied for this job. So let's focus. SPASS, EPASS employment visa and IPCM work permit visa in 2 days. Two got written. Altered workers, AC Ductman, supermarket clerk, meat cutter, mechanical, electrical, chemical engineer, maintenance AC program and mechanist, nurse, aide, healthcare assist, MEP piping, plastic engineer. This is the job positions. Monthly salary will be 50,000 to 3 lakhs per annum. And as you can see here, per month also 3 lakhs to 15,000, and you have to attend the interview in this address and contact number, official email address right here. You can also drop your CV to the given official email ID, and also you can follow up for the applying process by this number, and also you can visit to the office. So don't be late. If you are belongs to these professionals, if you have the proper qualifications and experience to apply for this job, then you can easily visit to the office and you can contact them and you can drop your CV to the given official email ID. So let's move to next job. Next job is large vacancies in Singapore, like WPCM, WP Singapore, huge order to 200 plus job visa in 2 days. As a technician, excavator operator, pipe fitter, scaffolder, welder, 2 years contract, one employment visa, work permit, direct selections, and salary will be 1,400 Singapore dollar, and the free accommodation fooding will become provided by the company. So if you're interested to apply, you can contact this number and you can talk all the job requirements and how to apply everything details. So for these positions you should have the proper qualifications and the proper relevant experience, then only you can apply for this job. Move to next job. Next job also multiple vacancies in Singapore. Skill jobs, SPASS, skills pass, EPASS, employment visa will be provided. Let's focus on the job positions. Automobile engineer, all types of technicians, CNC all profiles, cook, chef, chemical engineer, design engineer, electrical engineer, excavator, dozer, forklift, F&B service staff, maintenance engineer, mechanical engineer, metal plastic operators, MEP engineer, mechatronics and engineer, plastic engineer, HVAC engineers, technicians, planning engineer, piping engineer, project coordinator, project manager engineer, quality software, robotics engineer, site engineer, healthcare profiles. As you can see here, many type of job openings. If you are interested to apply, please contact to this number and talk all the job requirement process, how to apply everything details. But before you apply, you should keep in mind for these positions you should have the proper relevant experience, then only you can apply for this job. Next, as you can see here, I already shared with you different job openings from Singapore. This is also a multiple vacancies in Singapore required for reputed construction company in Singapore. Job categories: general worker, tile layer, plaster, safety coordinator. For these positions, you should have previous experience in the relevant field, and attractive salary will be provided. Overtime also available. Accommodation will be provided by the company. Send your resume to the given official email ID if you are interested to apply for this job, like general worker, tile layer, and plaster and safety coordinator. Move to next job. Next job is service staff required in Singapore. To work as a service staff, you should have the proper qualifications and experience. Your roles and responsibilities will be kept in Tanjong Pagar, hiring, looking for an individual who possesses a good working attitude, are punctual, and can work well in a team. About us, you can see here, this is the company details and full-time service staff, $2,400 per month. Benefits include CPF contribution, medical, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by the company. If you are interested to apply for service staff, you can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. So next, service crew. To work as a service crew, you should have the previous experience. Roles and responsibilities will be service crew. Work collection will be aircraft gateway. Salary will be 1,800 to $2,200. It's Singapore dollar. And 4 days working days, 5 days of working allowances, working days 4 days plus 1 standby 5 days. Job descriptions responsible for opening and closing of outlet, attend to customers and provide advice and encourage. This is all about responsibilities. If you're interested, you can apply by this official email ID. Next, restaurant servers, waiters required in Singapore. This is a waitress job, and if you're interested to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. And there have a official email ID. You have to drop your CV to the given official email ID. For waiters, you should have previous experience in a Gulf country or your own country. As you can see here, restaurant service requirements: provide good customer services, greet customers and present manage, or make suggestions, take a sharp food, like all the responsibilities for the for the waiters. So next, also multiple vacancies in Singapore. Let's focus on the job positions. Commissioning coordinator, E&I supervisor, mechanical supervisor, rotating EQ supervisor, lifting supervisor, SSC coordinators, static typing and lead technicians, rotating equipment technicians, assistant fitter, mechanical fitter, pipe fitter, lead instrument technician, lead electrical technician, and laser technicians, AFT instrument technicians. This is all about those job openings from Singapore. Many type of job openings. Don't be wet. If you have the relevant experience, drop your CV right now and apply right now and get job in Singapore. And also you can build your career in the Singapore. So as I shared with you, different job opportunities from Singapore. Don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. If you have the previous experience, then apply as soon as possible. And please, my sincere request: go to the description below this video and collect all this information. All this information are you watching right now? All are available in the description below this video. So please go to the description below this video, read all the informations, and if you think you are really eligible for this job, then apply as soon as possible by the given official email ID. Also, there are contact numbers you can follow up after you apply. So I hope you understand how to apply everything details. And if you still, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment box. I will try to give you an answer. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, of course, we will discuss your job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Best of luck.